Jesus Christ. Bro, what? Like a CGMX or something. What's going on here? Okay, I like that. Oh, I need more open interest, man. So they went short here. Interesting. No surprise there. No surprise here either. That's funny, they wicked me out and it started moving. 100% my order would have triggered. What? Oh, they did. Nice. This is so delayed, man. Unbelievable. There we go, 37.16. Alright, let's bid. Let's liquidate these bozos. Here we go. Yo, this GMX trade. He just triggered another lull 2 minutes ago. Can you hear me? Indu.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
Welcome.
when I thank you. When I join from my PC, I cannot. How do you say that? When I join from my phone, the stream on PC disconnects, so I don't know how to
The one on YouTube.
use it. And
Don't worry about that, man. We're all good. Let YouTube be YouTube. Man, look at my GMX trade. Fucking going insane. I exited, remember, yesterday here. And I entered again here. And I entered again here.
GMX?
And it just keeps going. I've already longed this GMX 3 times already. There we go. That's TP. If it breaks this, you might want to put this on break even.
Underline it. In bearish market.
36.11. $34.98 should be the new stop loss. There we go. I'll add the size here again. This is looking pretty strong right now, but with volume increasing, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is a really strong volume. Yeah. This is a real move on GMX.
Hello.
Yo.
What's
Yo.
up? What's up? What's up?
Nothing, bro. GMX, BTC.
Shadow Striker is on stream.
Yeah.
He's on the Discord.
Hey, I got a secret.
Let's go.
Don't tell anyone, man. I long Pepe.
Of course.
I put a limit order, and he got triggered. I forgot about it. Oh no, I'm really scared, man. It's a small size. It's like how much percent? Oh fuck. Oh man, my Pepe. 1%. My GMX trade is looking really strong. I just added size. I added size here. The Widelton style, limit order, conditional.
Widelton style.
The Widelton style. Look, I added size here, and I'll add more size. I keep on adding. I'm sick. I'm sick in my mind. I keep on adding. I can't help myself. Up here, it makes sense though. Like if I add up here, delete this. I add size up here. Yeah, what do you want me to do? It's not stopping.
Whatever your plan is.
Well, I had a long.
Stick to your plan and you will be alright.
I had a long from up here, right?
This is how you.
We already took profit yesterday, right? Live, right? Right from here. Here, and I took profit there, and after that, and after that, he stopped me out on break, in profit there on this candle. He went and then he held, and I had a caption. This level holds, the party will continue. And so I entered here, like around here, right? So I entered here, and then made my my entry there. I added more size here. I'm probably gonna add more size here. If you can break that, let's do the Widelton way, conditional. Trigger price 37.69 for the memes. 37.69. Fuck me. 37 or 69. I'll be honest, man. I'm still new at conditional trading. What do I do? The trigger price is what? Is my entry, or what is it, Widelton?
No, like the trigger price. The trigger price. This is what I love about it. For example, you have one resistance 1 and resistance 2 with a small difference of price between them, and you know that when it will break resistance 1, it will go to 2.
Yes.
So you can trigger it on 1, but entering 2. So, for example, the coin is now $4.
Do I put that as my trigger, or did I put that? Fuck. 37.57 is the trigger price. That's the
like the trigger price. It will be what price will trigger your order. But if your order is in some different price, then it will enter the order on. It will enter the trade on what you wrote on the order price. The trigger is just getting the command into action.
Okay. Okay. Big boy. I got you, bro. We we keep on doing this. We keep on buying this shit coin until it goes to 38 tonight. We add more size. This time we add an extra.
Yeah, I can hear you very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I can, I was using my Wi-Fi. I was using my phone Wi-Fi before. Okay, now I have
Oh,
a. I'm gonna add size on GMX up here. On top of this bad boy here, on top of this guy here, there should be a nice sell order. I want it to order like around here, above it, and then we go. Just take them out. This is a nice resistance here. If you can go above that, it should be good. My stop loss is now on GMX is here, 34.98, and then I'll move my stop loss like up here if it goes above here. So just a little bit of a day trade, but this is a nice resistance. I shouldn't really underestimate this. It's probably gonna go back to my entry soon, but oh, my BTC, I have a long. I forgot about this. This is a scary level.
yeah. My swing long is in profit again, but like the USDT now is acting fine. Broke the 4 hours cloud.
Yeah.
Being dumped.
Beautiful. So
We still have more to go.
We're staying strong. We're staying strong.
Let's think, because we still have time.
Yeah, no problem. We can still play continuation. Because look at this. What is this? You could pull back. We in no rush for anything. There's plenty of time to go long, you know.
Like let's see how it reacts, if it reacts on the 7.94.
Widelton doesn't even very good reaction, even though we have a very volatile move. Bravo. This is a very new you. You know what to do now. You know what to react. I'm very proud of you, bro.
What do you mean? Thank you. But what do you mean? Okay.
You know,
I want to understand.
you know, like usually when a move like this move doesn't make sense. Yeah, to a lot of retail, this move doesn't make sense. They're right now they're getting their account is red, bro. It's like, what the fuck? How is this happening?
Oh, this whole move I already I said it to you guys like 2 days ago. I was scalping BTC. I got stopped, but then I saw a swing opportunity because I mixed some psychology of the people with the charts. It matched, so I opened up a swing. But this move right now, it's inside the cloud. I guess people they're still looking for a better entry. I guess
for sure
they still want to grab this guy up there with in the 27 area.
The trigger for me was this one, and if you weren't convinced with this one, it was this one. Now this is a good place for you to pay yourself.
Indeed.
If you're not compounding along like myself on GMX, you should be paying yourself on BTC. I highly recommend you take at least half here. This is TP2. That's a beautiful almost 2 hour trade from me that I've given yesterday on the stream. Well, you know, pay yourself. That's a triple bottom, and also if you want to take a look at it, this is also a bigger W.
Yeah.
Easily. We got liquidity here. We got liquidity to take. These are all stop losses, especially here. This is a nice stop loss here. They think that they will never hit this zone again. This area here. I'll show you. A lot of activity here. A lot of this Widelton is activity and liquidity, all taken with no what's the word, with no supply here. The supply is gonna be here. It's gonna start hurting here. So what you should do, instead of a scam dump like this, you should protect yourself or pay yourself. If you are compounding and trying to make your portfolio bigger, I highly recommend you pay yourself half or at least 75% here and move your stop loss on B. If you are trying to grow your size. If you're like me and you have a bigger size and small gains doesn't really fucking make a difference to you, move your stop loss and keep moving it upwards. This should not go under Monday high if we are bullish. Would you agree? Yes or yes? If we are bullish.
Indeed, yeah.
26,449, it should be the absolute bottom. If we go below that, lights out. It's gonna go to Monday low. This is the second attempt. 1, 2, 3. This is actually the second attempt. So 1, 2 to grab liquidity. A lot of people shorted here yesterday. Big position. I could show you here as well. I actually already had one here. A lot of people shorted this move yesterday. Big short here in this entire move, and they were still shorting here as well. You see this move here? They shorted the move, and they keep on shorting here, and then they shorted again here, and then they closed it because they know they're fucked up, and they short, and then they closed it, and then they build again short, and then they dumped it. Like, what the fuck? Like, are they seriously gonna long the uptrend? And they're still shorting here. Got a big open interest opening right now. Big open interest, and their longs opening up here on support. Now I have to see if this is backed by spot or not, because if it doesn't, I'm closing my my longs at least.
Want me to check because I already have coinalyzed.
Oh, everyone is fixing everything in my absence. I'm very excited for the group. This is a backed by spot. I wouldn't fade this move yet, especially if we move on a 5-minute time frame, right? Auto, that's
curling in the 1 hour as well.
Yeah, it's curling. What you want to see? You want to see it curling on a lower time frame to see the authenticity of the move. I mentioned before you hop on that the volume here is very strong. Even on GMX as well. I had a GMX one open. It's very strong. But of course, it's some people here close some of the longs position as if you wouldn't. That's like people taking half profit, like myself. My stop loss is just trailed. I'm just gonna do it like this. Yellow is my stop loss, so you know where I'm putting my stop loss is 26,449. 26,449 there. Do we see any sign of stopping? This is some shorts opening. Shorts opening. A little bit of longs closing. But open interest is still growing on both parties. People started shorting here. Big open interest. This is the move you would want to see right now. Let's see what GMX is doing. I'm going to pay myself. What I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna close Pepe. That's what I'm gonna do. Where's Pepe? I need to protect the market, because if I long Pepe, the whole market will crash. No, this is the best. This is, look at this. This is the best profit I've got on Pepe. Yeah, that's it. A little scalp. It was fun while it lasted, because if BTC pulls back, this will take a shit. I could make my stop loss on B here. 7175. If it pulls back, it pulls back. If it wants to party, it parties. GMX is pulling back. It's a given. Anyway, look for XRP. XRP took me out on entry, but it held the uptrend. I didn't want to go in because it is inside the cloud. We are only longing things with conviction like this, with proper move. It's almost looking like the MKR rally. Remember how MKR looked like?
Yeah, like a rainbow opposite down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Would you like to give your opinion about mana?
Absolutely.
That would be lovely. Like I'm searching for a really honest opinion about the way you look at the chart of this
Absolutely,
chart,
bro.
especially.
This is what MK.
Because I'll tell you what, there's good fundamentals on things related to mana, and I wanted to see if the chart says the same thing. Because from my perspective, it looks like this, but you know, let's see what you're looking at. What's your opinion about it?
Okay. I'll let you know once I'm done with this. 3-day super trend, daily, weekly. Nah, too much. Let's see what the weekly looks like on support or not. I can see it. Okay. Okay. Well, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun as. Nice bear cross there. I mean bull cross. With the cloud moving in, so this is very, very possible. So this is, let's just mark it. I don't usually do this, but I think these days the more evidence we have, the better. Okay. That's a lot of support, Widelton.
Yeah, sitting on a heavy one. All this choppy way, I think that it's trying just a preparation for edge to edge, maybe because the evidence it's showing on the lower time frames. But yeah, like the daily 3 days looks like. You see how like they very close to each other. They still not, even though there was a bear cross, they still like trying to do another cross, like a bull cross. That's the last piece of the puzzle, I think. But I'm pretty positive about the move, so I risk 1%.
Sometimes, bro, you just have to delete the noise. This here, like Chop Central, what you need to see is this, man. Someone is not letting this price go down below this. Got this nice support here, big support, and then you can do this one here. You know, obviously you can just like say that that's support right there. Okay, it's a bit big, but big is good. You know what I mean? There's two ways you can play this. Yes, there is still overhead resistance down here, no doubt. Okay, but above this, that could be a nice TP1. Okay, nice liquidity there. That's just early. You can even like this is also another like small resistance down here. Then you got not like a set of like previous resistances up here. I mean, there's definitely liquidity to be grabbed. You don't be scared to long something because it has a lot of resistances.
I'm pretty sure about the
move. I'm not worried about you being scared. I'm talking about viewers. Don't be scared about longing things because there's a lot of resistances above. A lot of resistances above means liquidity to be grabbed. If you have some kind of a good evidence below as why you should long, which is quite frankly this area here is a nice supportive area here. Got a nice uptrend, like very clean, like clean, bro. You know what I mean? Like, have
Yeah.
you seen how ether looks like? Where is this shit coin? Like, what is this? This is luck. This is just liquidity to be grabbed as well. There we go. Like, this is the trigger for a long there, but I didn't long that. I was out. But anyway, back to mana, right? Where's this coin now? I literally just put it here for a long. Where did it go? Am I blind? Mana is red. Here we go. Now this hasn't moved. This hasn't done. This hasn't done the, you know, the move like what other coins has done. What are these people gonna get away with it? If they did want to short this, well, are these people gonna get away with it? Unlikely, man. If everything is getting targeted, like even GMX was on a big downtrend, bro. Please keep in mind, like GMX looks like shit, yeah, and so did coins like AVAX. Look what it's about to do.
Yeah.
Food. This is food. The longer you keep your short open, the longer you are exposed to your stop hunt and your profit being taken back from the market. Because this is how it works, right? Now, fundamentally speaking, I don't know what this brings, but would I long this? I mean, there's no reason why you shouldn't. Now,
Like I based it on, you know, some small news about the headset of Meta, you know, the virtual reality thing, that the metaverse. So they're gonna produce a version that will be able that almost everyone will be able to purchase. Like they reduced the price significantly on and they like letting out some. I think it's a new version of this Oculus thing. I think so. Meta, Mana, Sand, all of these coins.
You can do a 2.48 here, or you can do very aggressive. See, this is a safer one. As you can see here, you got a lot of support down here. You got this as support, and you got this as support as well, and obviously you got the daily conversion as well supporting you as well. If you really did want to, you do this. It's a one, like it's like a 2. It's like a 2R, but like I don't see the reason why you shouldn't rally, because this is a lot of liquidity, like a lot of food, bro. Like a lot of food to be eaten by market makers. They don't give a fuck about anyone but themselves, man. They'll eat you. And these people out here, they're not shorting. They're not shorting freely. What? That's funny. What are you up to? A lot of people shorting it.
But the spot.
Someone is absorbing this. A lot of this selling, and after they just went up again. Here, from here, from this whole move, they've been like taking like hits. You know what I mean? They're bleeding right now. This guy's spot is bleeding. One or two things you can interpret from this chart. This is heavily shorted coin, heavily, and it's also an uptrend with the majority in negative delta, 440 million negative delta. Now, one or two things that's going to happen, right? Two scenarios that could happen, which is very likely skewed to the upside. If there is more downside, these people down here that are shorting up, down, up, down, up, down, they're not going to get away with it. Look at this open interest up here.
Yeah.
All shorts, my G. All of this. All right, let's see what happened here when this dropped. They didn't even close their shorts here. Here. Barely. As a matter of fact, open interest increased here. Right? And there was still like more skewed to like it was basically flat. It was equivalent shorts building here as well. And then on this whole move upwards here, this is basically just a little bit of shorts closing the position and helped by spot moving upwards. And then we got more shorts. It's just a little bit of longs and then short again. Like this whole move up here, this open interest here and here, all like here, this is all shorts. So yeah, I think it's due. I think it's due, bro. I think it's due for the reckoning. It's time for these shorts to meet their maker. I'll be real with you. Like it's time for them to meet the maker. Now, if in 48 minutes, my G, we close like this, my long is gonna look like this. Very, very tight. Very, very tight, because I want a bigger risk to reward, but smaller risk. If I am doing this, I'm betting 5%. Big difference, yeah? Big risk to reward, smaller risk. Smaller risk to reward, bigger bid. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
High
Yeah,
risk,
100%. Yeah.
aggressive, safe. Aggressive, risk less, risk 1%, even 0.5%. Risk 0.5% here, 0.5% here, or it's at 0.5%, 1%, 1%, 1%, and keep on adding. But if you're doing like this, go big, go 5%.
Yeah, like step by step.
Step by step, like this one here is strong. So even if it pulls back down here, you're only losing 1% anyway. But if it just runs up, boom, in one candle, like what it always been doing, like have you taken a look how these longs, how these shorts are liquidated? One big dildo, bro. Have you taken a look at the market, how it looks like right now? Stop loss hunting. It's quick, it's rapid. Look at sushi, look at render. Very quick, very quick. CRV, very quick. But the faster they move up, the faster they'll go down, like a Burj Khalifa. It's a stop hunt. Stop hunt. Oh my god, the fall on this is going to be big. I'll show you. Burj Khalifa, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. AVAX is next. I didn't take this long because I already have a GMX. Because I'm busy for the next 2 weeks. I take minimum trades, but they're quality. I'm focusing on quality. I'll long this from the bottom here. Exit and add again. Exit and add again. Just look at one coin. XRP I'm watching is next. XRP as well, look. Very similar pattern. As long as the conversion is underneath, bro, the stop hunt is not over. This move is not done. If you have the balls, go hard. Where's the base? TP1? Go. Why are you scared? I'm saying like in general, like people. Why are you scared? Just go. You got a stop loss down here. Just go like that. What's the worst thing that could happen? Like it'll go like this. It'll most likely hold. Conversion daily is one of the strongest supports. And so is the 3-day conversion as a magnet to be tested. Do not underestimate the power of this to be tested. BTC done it as well. It's going to test it. Like a magnet. It's funny how we already saw this cloud and it did exactly this move in the future on the 3-day. The daily hasn't changed. We still haven't tested these liquidity, and you cannot go swing short until these has been taken. Unless this is the clear winner and we short underneath here. But bro, I think it's gonna hit. I think look, there's one or two things that could happen tonight. This is gonna hit full TP, or at least around here, before it moves back a little bit and then just does the full trade. But I could do this, but I'm just doing. I just wanted to test 3-day conversion again and see what the weakness looks like here. We can't fade the 3-day conversion or any moving averages on the high time frame weekly. This is why I mentioned in a higher time frame chart, this is strong support, this is strong support. It may do this, you know. It may do this. It may do this.
May do something, yeah. It gotta do something.
Yeah. But the higher time frame is very strong, bro.
All I see, I tell you what, all I see in the market is fear, but
Yeah.
there's no base to the fear. There's no reason to be in fear. Like I don't see any clear reason for the market to be in fear. There's only news, but there's no actually, you know, when someone is only talking but is not doing anything. This is
Well,
exactly how the news is acting, and
are you talking about Jerome Powell? When is he speaking?
everybody, all aspects of the news, all aspects of the global news that affecting the money in the world.
Yeah.
But like, to be honest, there's a lot of good things as well.
Yeah.
I guess who knows, the big money that knows it, it's already playing and taking profits on people.
Absolutely.
Maybe to get the bigger entry, like we think, and maybe some from other.
This is a nice entry for a swing short, by the way, on render. Like very, very good entry on a swing short on render. He just tested conversion, but just see how this 4-hour. But we have a plan. Like, why the fuck am I looking for shorts when it's underneath here? You can scalp when not like when it does this. That's a nice scalp. And then well, we got a nice opportunity to long again here. Above this, bro, like if we manage to enter the cloud again, man, that's a scalp followed by a swing. The target is more like this. And then also here as well. We can't forget about these levels here. We never forget. We never forget. Yeah. But base daily is where you should be worried, because that's also the 3-day conversion. Be nice to me, man. This fucking guy, man. It needs to fuck me dead, man. If in 39 minutes we cannot close above this cloud, bro. My god, this is it.
All the market is in like fear and stuff. Like,
What did
and
this
all
get
the
off?
market watch. They watched the same videos, everybody, before the bear market. Then the video went like this: you buy when everybody scares. Yeah, this is the message they all those all videos have been saying. Yeah, yeah, check this out. Even you can put the date of the crypto bull run when BTC hit 60K, and then they all those YouTubers saying to their viewers, you buy when when everybody's selling, and then guess what? Everybody's right.
I want to see what the I want to see what the what people are thinking, right? I want to see the thumbnails. Oh, don't fucking say this. This is 7 goes shock. Bitcoin in shock. This is Bitcoin. My last video. Okay. What else? Who's the other guy again? Fucking hell. MMC Crypto. Did we see MMC Crypto already? We have, haven't we? Yeah, we already did.
BitBoy,
Nah,
you meant
he's in jail, bro.
Bitboy.
He's in jail. I feel sorry for him, you know.
It's not easy to lose everything.
Huh?
It's not easy to lose everything.
But why did
He
he
did
do
so-
this?
If you did something bad,
He's
well,
arrested.
prepare to pay the price because karma is everywhere.
Yeah, he tried getting his Lambo back and he got arrested. Ah, this is the guy that I wanted to see.
The moon.
Yeah. He's actually not a bad guy. He's actually not a bad trader, man. He's very profitable.
Yeah, I think I
Mate,
follow him on Twitter.
yeah.
Max.
I need to know. BTF, the Bitcoin ETF now 90 by December. Fuck. Don't tell me this. This is mixed signals, bro. What is this? Very mixed sentiment, bro. You know what's that? The reason why I look at these influencers, you wanna know why? Is because I want to know what the sentiment is. The reality is they don't know what the fuck they're doing either. Wow, look at all these shorts piling up here.
Yeah, a lot of those.
A lot of shorts piling. But also a
but
lot of
at the same time, longs. Yeah. Open interest is just increasing over time.
very, very, very crazy. Now,
I mean, like imagine yourself there's a big whale getting an entry right there with the long, opening up some position. Like the heat map, yeah. I wonder how it looks like now.
they won't show you the order. Market makers will not show you the order. That's a beautiful, beautiful short right now on sushi, by the way. Yeah, that's a nice short. If you wanted to what's it called? If you wanted to hedge, this is a nice hedge. Like it's down, but this is also scary. This is a this is the tunnel that one more move like this and like 1, 2, like scalp. You know what I mean? Bang, 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 bang. What is this called? A bullish tunnel, isn't it? The ABC A. B.
I don't know. It's more like a falling wedge shape.
A falling wedge is bullish, bro.
It is, but I don't. No, I don't want to say because I. But the bullish tunnel should be like the say. in the same line with the resistance. It's supported. The resistance should be at the same, looking at each other in the same level. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
how do you say it in English?
Maybe day trade like this. Day trade, like a quick one. Very, very low risk. Nice little fuck. See, just stop moving down.
Like, this is where I love to play Fibonacci and play with the power of point of control, very value area high, very area low.
Okay.
Maybe that can work.
From the bottom to the top. So here. So I'm not asking for too much if I said that to drop here, huh? From here. If it breaks this, that's TP. That's TP. That's 6.18. 6.18. This is just on Fib, yeah. There's also 0.5 here. Where is this fucking thing? I can't see. I'm getting old. Here we go. Forget about this nonsense up here. Here we go. Maybe we make it yellow because Fibonacci. Yellow. 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 Yeah. Fuck this. Fuck this off. Like, if we close here under the 4 hour, I'm shorting this. Again. Why not? If the chart is telling you to go short, go short. Under the cloud, like, it's making constant, like, high, lower high, a lower high, low, lower low.
Yeah.
So you should do this and then do that. But this is also the sign of a nice accumulation. Here, then boom, take him out. So let's wait for this 30-minute close and look what the market does. BTC isn't gonna do, I mean, never say never, right? But it shouldn't do a big dump. Oh, it done the opposite. GMX, Pepe. This is a nice break of structure again, bro. By the way, this is the fake out. You went again and you go in. I mean, if we were to long above this, it's a very nice level to go long. If you want to be safe, go above this. This is a nice long. But please ensure risk is managed. BTC is nearing local resistance, and maybe they're gonna do something funny. And I'll show you what the funny thing is.
Like always, yeah.
Oh yeah, of
like
course,
always.
Of course.
They love to do it funny, always.
Always.
Making up some.
It's you know why? Because I called it since this week, bro. High time frame, bro. Oh, nice. We can reach this. We can reach this. Well, look at this bounce. This is called the retest, bro. Boom. Why the fuck did I not long it there? I didn't see this. Always have this open. Breakout, retest, and then whack. TP1, TP2. I mean, if you haven't long BTC, I'm not saying that you should, but I'm saying that if you haven't have a long, and you want to take a risk, a nice 1% risk, wait for this 4-hour candle to close, go like this, okay, and then target TP1 and TP2, and you must hold, and you must hold it. You must be brave to hold this. But Can you? We had this plan. The plan worked out. This is my plan. Without this long here, this is always my plan. Above conversion, I'm longing. Above this, I'm longing. And if it breaks out and it falls below again, I'm shorting. This is the magic number. Where is this 3-month fib? Fucking all this noise, man. I don't need this noise. Da, 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 da. Just simple. Just simple, bro. Like simplicity. The only thing I add that's not part of the Fibonacci is this. This. Three months from the bottom to the top. Everyone has different perspective. I get that. I'm grabbing mine from the bear market low of 2018. That was a long winter for a lot of people. Look at this accumulation, bro. It almost took 2 years. This is a long winter before it pumped. This is the accumulation. People who accumulated here are so rich, it's not even funny. Even if they haven't sold. Yeah. They don't only have to buy BTC, they would have bought other things as well. Who knows? Maybe they bought like, man, I would have bought so much BTC down here. Like I could afford so much, it's not even funny here. But that's what I think. If this is the low for me, this is the one, because this is the accumulation for me, and that's the swing low. This is the high. And if we do not reclaim this 0.618 in two days and 9 hours.
Why there's a red marker on the upside?
Huh?
There's a red arrow trailing you near the BTC. Where it says BTC on the left screen. You see the red marker?
Where's the red
Not
marker?
related to the chart itself, but the upstairs near the time frames. Yes.
Oh, data issue. No real-time data.
But it's around there.
Yeah. But this is it. I think that any pull up to even if we close 2 days and 9 hours here, if you really did want to, like TP1, TP2, unlikely, but you know what I mean. Or even if you waited for that to be tested and you can just short again, that's a 3-hour trade, bro.
Yeah.
Like swing short. Like if we can't claim this, just try for a swing short. Who knows? I don't make the rules. This is the Fibonacci rules. It's just a matter of perspective. Is this really 28353? Is that really a strong thesis that I have? Let's find out. Monthly. That's a nice stop loss there. Anything that says that 28353 is a very important level. Oh, look, more confluence here. Previous monthly super trend. That's previous. It means that if it was support before, it is now resistance. Weekly, anything that says that that's a strong like level. Oh, is that weekly conversion, bro? Weekly conversion. base. What I'm trying to say is if we cannot reclaim this, like ASAP, bro, like real quick, man, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. The longer we stay up here, like the longer we stay here,
Below the
the
28.
longer we stay in this box, the harder the fall. Like the bigger the wick down. Like really fast. Do you want to know why? I'll tell you why. Why is it gonna be fast? Because it's gonna be very easy for whales or market makers, because they've already shorted from up here. This is them shorting. Then short again. Then push. And then what they do is they buy spot up here. They buy spot, they buy spot, they buy spot, they buy spot. Like Michael said, they buy spot, 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 spot. Push the price up. Add to their short. Fill in their sell order block. That's where they can sell. They can sell there again. Now push the price up. Why is it that it's going to be a big fall? Think how many longs have been accumulated here. Oh my god, we're so back. We're going back to the moon.
Yeah.
Long, horny, everyone is buying. We're going to the moon. We're so back. You're so dead. Imagine we didn't even make it past this, man. Imagine all these longs are built up here and they faded to Ichimoku. Just a big, big, big candle down here, man. Grabbing these here, here, here. This is a stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Everyone sees stop loss. I'm long right now. You don't even have to look far. I'm long right now. What if it just drops right now, bro? I'm just one person. Just imagine my position is 100 times 25x. That's 1.25 million. Hang on, 100 times 25. That's 200. 100,000. It's like 200. I don't even know. 2.5 million. That's 2.5 million. Just me, man. He's sitting in my fucking boxes, bro. Now imagine there's actually big whales out there. Like huge whales. They don't know any better. Some people just like to gamble and they get liquidated. Everyone here. Here. All of this. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Gone. And then stop loss, gone. Stop loss. Out. Finish. Finito. In one candle. Straight to 24. And then he'll go back again up here. To like 25 area here again, 26 area, and then they'll just drop it back down here to 21, 19, just like that. That's how it works. The bigger the longer you accumulate, the faster the drop, because a lot of people have been longing, they have leverage, bro, and they just get liquidated. Everyone get liquidated. Everyone. There's no escape. That's what happened here.
Yeah.
How many people got horny up here? Including the one that long from up here. Everyone got dropped. Same thing. The bigger the longs, the bigger the drop. The bigger the short, the bigger the rip. There is no new there is no new participants. Everyone got scammed in 2020, in 2021, and they still think that crypto is a scam. Every time I'm driving Uber, every time I'm driving this and that, or I'm meeting new people, you know what they say to me? Isn't crypto a scam?
Yeah.
And then this is what I ask him. Didn't you say that it's too late to buy crypto at 69,000? It's 27,000 now. It's 26,000 now. It's 15,484 at the beginning of the year. Did you buy it then? No. No, you don't want to buy it now either. Like, what do you want to do? You're gonna buy it at 100,000, and you know who's gonna sell that to you? Me. That's what I tell him. I'm ruthless, bro. I got no filter. Isn't that a scam? I remember buying I remember buying Bitcoin at like 70,000. Now it's at 25. Brother, you bought at the fucking top. So did I. So did all of us at one stage, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not ashamed of buying the top, man. Ooh. This Ichimoku is a really good tool, huh?
Legendary.
I can't
It's
believe it.
reacting.
Yeah. This is where you would be taking some profit. Again, this could like happen real quick. Remember yesterday? Like real quick. You could just go back up here and then, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
No one is safe in this market. Not me, not you, not Michael Saylor, not the president of El Salvador. He's underwater right now with his Bitcoin buys. The whole country's underwater. I'm so sorry. I try not to laugh, but no one is safe in this market, man. With that being said, shit, like 17 minutes. Like, look, Pepe's not even moving. Can you imagine what's gonna happen when BTC dumps?
Jimbo.
I'm taking Pepe for profit, man.
I still have my position on the channel about Pepe.
Really?
This, yeah. And it will be back to that level.
Look at this. Look at these charts that you posted right now. Sana.
Sand is also looks like.
When sand pumps,
This-
mana pumps.
Mhm.
You put half
They look
percent.
kind of the same.
Yeah, you put 0.5% in sand, 0.5% in mana, and then you see which and then because it's always like if mana pumps, sand
No,
pumps.
actually, I have 2%, 1% on sand and 1% on mana. My first
Beautiful.
TP will be 50% off this price, then it will be connected to 1% together. That's the plan.
I love how I was only on for a little bit yesterday. I don't know when I spoke to you last on stream, but basically I said all these dinosaur coins, they're gonna run.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
remember?
yeah.
I remember when I had a chat with you. It was on Discord. It wasn't on YouTube, but yeah. Dinosaur coins
You
will
gave me
run.
the idea to look up for those coins.
Dinosaur coins.
Yeah.
Well, that's the play. I need BTC to close like this, man, and we should be able to try and aim for this above here. I mean, I'm being very reasonable here, asking for this. How many times have I given a target like this and it hits? I'm being like very realistic because it's end of month fuckery. I don't want to give back to the market. I work hard this week, man. I didn't trade much, but I gave you a lot of quality trades. I don't want to give it back.
Yeah.
I'm not sleeping. I'm probably like going to drink more coffee and live like a burger.
You gotta get some sleep, bro. You cannot not
No,
sleep.
I do. I slept the whole day today. What do you mean?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I sleep like from like I always check the market at 10 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, and then I go back to sleep. But I think.
Do you see an improvement by sleeping into opposite hours?
Well, do you see my results this week?
Bro, you're always being sharp. What are you talking about?
That's true, but like, I just feel like I want
I got you. There you go.
I want to give my services to you and Indu and for a bit, you know. And then you guys can run it when I'm asleep.
Legend.
Oh man. Oh,
Okay, now.
when I pick up my Tesla, and then I'm gonna like take a break for like 5 days. Um, I know I'm gonna say I'm not
Yeah,
gonna be
like
trading, but
yourself.
I'm probably gonna WhatsApp you. Hey bro, I'm taking this trade.
You better be not.
I'll try. It depends. It depends because it's October, bro.
Just have some good time. The
Maybe.
market, it's always will be
You know
the
the
same
beautiful
market.
thing. You know the beautiful thing about the market, man. I know. We're traders. We're always gonna check. We're always gonna take a look. But even if we take a 3 month break, we can just start from zero. Wait for the Monday. Wait for the Monday range to form and trade from there. That's it. How beautiful is the
Yeah.
market? Tell me what industry out there that you can just start from zero again and start making money just like that. You just have the skill set.
Nah.
Nothing's out there, bro. Oh man, I should take profit on GMX. What's BTC doing?
Dancing on the same line because USDT is still stuck at the same point.
This is the first time since since um, since last Sunday we are above the green cloud and above conversion and base.
Is it too early to party?
To run some stops, yeah, sure. Why not? Here's the target. The chart says so. My feelings say close my trades.
But what do we
I,
what do
I,
we do
I
with feeling?
sometimes the best thing to do is move your stop loss on break even,
And that's it, you're safe.
and that's it. Move your stop loss to break even and close your eyes.
You really can sleep in that way. This risk management is very good. Like you put your stop loss on break even,
Hmm.
so you know that you don't lose.
You,
You may be wrong, but you don't lose anything.
mhm.
Much easier,
Right.
like
To
sleep.
like I might lose my profits, but I haven't lose my initial capital. That's the more important because it's all about making sure that your money is safe. Yeah, you
Yeah.
give back. Like even if I lose, I'm still look. I can take profit on Pepe. Like if I can trust anything to be running right now, oh please pull back, please no more, no more, no more up, no more up. If this keeps on going upwards, bro, the money is going to go straight into BTC out of alts. Everything. If BTCD closes like this, right? What you should do is every time Bitcoin pumps, right? Every time Bitcoin pumps, and if it goes above this, every time Bitcoin pumps, you short an alt, a weak one. It'll drop like crazy. BTC drops 1%, alts drop like 3-4%. I don't
Yeah.
make the rules. That's how it works, right? Come on, GMX. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Let's fucking go. Come on. This is a good close on GMX, man. This is a very good close on GMX. If you guys have an enter, wait for this to open and do this and then do this. Just above 2R. No, just under 2R. Depends. Like you can make your stop loss like this. It's up to you. But in Synergy Empire, we don't tolerate low probability moves. High probability with risk management is much better than low probability with no risk management. I learned this from you, bro, believe it or not.
Really.
Oh yeah, man. fucking big plays, big Arista reward. What the fuck for? So I can lose 1% 7 times, 5 times in a row. Better I win
Yes.
2-3 times.
You're not in a trade. You're not losing.
No shit. Fuck this. This is a good
Like
close.
I have a quite calm period of time now. Like I don't take many trades these days.
You
This
don't
is
need
where
to.
like
Son.
the market's moving like a crabby. So you know,
It's good.
swing
It's,
there,
it's
swing
it's
here.
it's good that you don't. It's good that you
Yeah, I
don't.
scalp from time to time. What can I do? The chance is open. Oh, it's good. I'm trying to do it on a low profile for now. Let the dust to be cleaned.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. All the bearish, all the bear post by trader SZ. SZ is always bearish. Don't forget when we long the bottom. He did long the bottom, you know. SZ long the bottom at 16,541.
Oh,
Yeah, he did. He long till 28.5. I long with him, but I got in a bit earlier than him. He's a good man. Eight more minutes.
that's gonna be interesting.
So what other trades do you have? Do you need me to review anything?
I think I'm good. Like, I have this dodge swing shove,
Let me see.
which is kind of dangerous right now. But
Nothing is dangerous if you risk manage, bro.
yeah, I have a standby to close it. So
Above this, let me know when you close it. If you close it, I'll long it. Because when your colleague closes their trade,
yeah, it's
it's
on the
usually
daily.
it's usually a sign that it's a flip of it's a sign of a flip.
Yeah, bro. Like if it closes above daily conversion, I'm closing. Right?
Conversion base daily. Ooh, this is a nice looking chart.
Yeah.
Interesting. Let's just do it realistic, yeah? Let's just do it realistic. Fuck. Look at this fucking trade. Wow. Motherfucker. Unbelievable. Now it's gonna run. If it closes like this, future cloud, long like this, and aim for the there we go. Yeah, why the fuck not? If it closes like this above, why the fuck not? 4 hours. What does the 8 hour look like? The 8 hour looks juicy. Dangerously juicy. So much resistance though. There's cleaner charts out there, like Doge looks better. I like Doge.
That means I'm almost ready to close my shop.
No. Only when you're invalidated. Look, it's being rejected. If we look at it like this, perfect. All of this a fake move, retail getting squished. Yeah. So what you do is wait. We just need Elon Musk to help out.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, why not? We gotta get Elon Musk to help us a little bit. Conversion, 3 days, 12 hours, no, 8 hours. I'm waiting because this is not confirmed yet. Let's see where all the liquidity is to be grabbed. Three minutes, huh?
Yeah.
Where's the daily base? Similar to LTC. All these dinosaur coins, man. The last to pump. If it pumps. But has the question is with Doge, has it ever went up and down like OP did?
Not exactly. But
It has to be closing above the daily. That's the rules. And that's when your short is invalidated. If it closes with like strong, like maybe even like this, because you want it to be closing above this little, because we're at the moment we're at sell order block. See this? This is sell order block here. So there's still a lot of selling right now. So you're defended by this guy. But if it was to break that, then it could do what GMX is doing right now. There we go. GMX fucking going crazy right now. I hate this coin, man. You know I love GMX, but I hate this coin. Fucking whales manipulate the shit out of that coin. Doge is ready for a long. If it closes above this, strong. Even better, if it closes above this on the daily, that would be a really strong indicator. Put it like this, like this. One, two, W. Maybe, at least here, maybe. Mana as well, very similar play, but that's a nice confirmation if you want to along that. That's a nice confirmation. Low risk if you want to play it like this, or if you want to play it like aggressive but only like 0.5% or 1% like this. System says go system says go on Ichi. Okay, depends on your risk appetite. You can even long up here. If you want to long up here, you can even do this. Whichever one makes you sleep better at night and for your mental health is more important as a trader. You can do that. You can do this. You can do this. But if you do this, it must be like 1%. But if you were to do this above here, above this level, this is like a 3% trade. I'm being very conservative because once it takes that, that's easily done, and then aim for that. Whichever one, like I said, whichever one makes you sleep better at night time, that's the trade that you play. Yo, I can add to my size here because I'm a crazy motherfucker. What the fuck? Whoa, what? Whoa. Sorry, I thought that was... Ah, there we go. No respect though. No respect, this guy. No respect, BTC.
BTC dominance. This
Yeah,
is acting on the base the 4 hours.
it needs to stop right now. Fuck, look at that GMX. This is people buying. Did it trigger? Yeah, it did trigger. Widelton, it triggered my thing. My stop loss has to move, bro. Here. 3572. There you go. Nah, I'm gonna take like full TP at 39.30, man. Yeah. Imagine he just rallies like. I was looking at my GMX trade. I'm like, how come my GMX trade is only like 40%? And then I realized it was this. Come on, move up. BTC tonight? You think?
We'll see.
Well, I'm not.
You know, I'm following the price action.
Mm.
When BTC moved this with this volatility, I'm just looking at it.
What's Pepe doing? Oh my god, I'm in profit for Pepe. This is scary, man. Break even. I like this. New style, like compounding that I have here. I've already made 3% today. I should close all my trades and just walk away. What's BTC doing? Man, what's this? How come it's not? Is this playing as resistance? What's BTC doing? No. Keep going. Keep going. Don't give up now. The Chiku is already above super trend, man. Come on. This is really bullish. I'm moving my BTC stop loss at 26,711. Full size, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna take full profit at 27,390. Full profit. 27 390. This thing has no respect, man. What's going on here? Holy fuck. Look at this. This is just longs closing. Fuck. Who got liquidated? Oh my god. If you're out there and you got liquidated, please come on Discord. We can learn together. It's not too late for you guys, yeah? Fuck, man.
Huge.
They shorted this entire move, bro. Look at this. and they just puked. It's puked it all now. We've got a little bit of closure there. Is GMX giving up? GMX is what's going on here? I don't like this. BTC is moving really quick. GMX is not. If I close it here, I'm still a happy man. I'm walking away with GMX full size. Yeah. I'm gonna regret this. Give me a second. What if I close this much? Yeah, I'm gonna close 100%. Done. The only reason why BTC is GMX close in full after 3 profitable months. GG. Above 39.30 we can long GMX again. That's it. See, now you know what I mean. Like above this, bro. Like above this, we can long GMX again. But I don't want to be greedy, man. Like I had a really good performance this week. I don't want to give it back to the market. Fuck the market. Done. I'll move this away so I don't get triggered. AVAX is next. AVAX is next. Too long, by the way. Like big move, yeah. For AVAX. Like 20% move on AVAX. Very soon, and it's only Thursday. We still got one. We still got tomorrow. Well, I mean, we still got today. And Doge as well. If we can reclaim daily conversion, that's rejecting. Rejecting. BTC. Good thing I'll close my GMX because that's gonna pull back. Yeah, see? Fucking fake out. Alright, bro. Like this, yeah? If GMX hold here, if GMX, if it goes back here, like this, you can long again. We've still got a long way to go. I just want to like take quick profits, like what Al was saying, you know, just quick profits. Where's Pepe? Yeah, fuck Pepe. Pepe's done. I'm taking Pepe. I'm taking Pepe home 75%. Yeah, I'm taking Pepe 75%. BTC here, I'm taking 80%. Yeah, done. I took profit there. I have no more positions. Let it move. What's an extra? What's an extra shekel here and there? You know what I mean?
It's always nice.
That's it. A win is a win, right?
Win.
Any new positions though we can take. Like look at this. Look at Renda. Renda's about to rally, man. That's courtesy of Trader SZ and his followers. It's not SZ though. SZ risk is managed. He's probably on a swing short since up here, man. Just FYI. But that's it doesn't look good. Ooh, sushi. This is why you wait for the 4-hour candle to close. Look, stopped out. See, this is a breakout.
Yeah.
You gonna take any new position, my bro?
Not for now. Have XRP and AVAX,
Oh, you have
but it's
XRP
still yeah,
on long?
XRP long 4 hours above the cloud with a proper closing above the cloud. It will be a trade for me, but not yet. There's still time.
Like
Want to
this?
see how it works in the next hours. Yeah, yeah. That's the style. This is the style.
Yeah, this is a nice trade. Should I put conditional?
I didn't put any conditional yet. I'm just waiting to see how the price reacts in above.
You're right.
Like I'm using smaller time frames, 1 hour, half an hour, series, coin allies, and things like that.
Yeah, this is nice, man. This is a very good trade if we can get it. It's a 3.36. This is,
Like 1 hour is looking nice.
I'm gonna put it on my active even though it's not active because that's my favorite at the moment. Fuck, all the shorts that like I planned for, they got destroyed. Oh my god. Hey, look, people, full TP.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck people, man. Motherfucker. I saw this morning, I didn't long it. Ah, fuck this coin. You know what I mean? I was like, nah. I faded the coin, but I should never fade the system. My god, that was a beautiful trade. There you go. I learned my lesson. You know, Shadow Striker told me, don't be sad if you, what's the word? If you didn't take the trade, at least in the future, you know you got a tool. What he said on the WhatsApp was very good. So that's that. That should be a good short soon. Maybe head on shoulders coming. Bro, you need to fix your fucking mic, cuz. That's why you gotta fix, bro. You gotta fix your mic up, bro.
Me?
Nah,
Why
man.
it's not good?
No. Shadow Striker.
Wow.
Fucking hell. This guy. Now he's like when I log in from my phone, Discord on PC will disconnect. Bro, don't tell me you don't have a headset. Do I have balls to long optimism right now? See, some shorts, some longs just look good, and some longs just look like shit. Isn't it, bro? Like, you know what I mean? You don't have a mic. Oh my god. Spell anything at all. Does that mean people is gonna be a short? No, 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 no. Cyber. Lucky I didn't short this, otherwise I would have got destroyed. Maybe anything like this. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Ooh. Tomo. No. Nothing looks nice to me. The only thing that looks nice to me as a long, I'll be honest, is the XRP long. which is about to happen right now. I mean, I could start now. I just make it like this because break of structure, similar to the BTC play. So let me sneak a GMX. So I will be triggered. Nah, I'm not triggered on that shit. What about LTC? Ooh, LTC, bro.
Yeah. I'm getting ready also.
What's the play? We long the 2 dinosaur coins and get paid big time this weekend. But we need the Bitcoin dominance to go down. Look at all these dinosaur coins. Oh man, I'm so excited. What's this? Pepe. Oh no, I already closed this. Nah, I don't want to look at this. This is gonna run. I'm calling it right now. But I'm just no. I don't fuck with Pepe. You know this. Even if the chart looks this good, I still won't long it. But if I was going to long it and I actually had good luck with Pepe, this would be this would be it, like this. This would be the play. Here. Oh my god. They're called dino coins because they're old. They got a big market cap and no one gives a fuck about them. They're actually really nice to long, you know, because they actually have liquidity and volume. Here, proper levels for Pepe, for the Giga swing long. This coin makes me sick to the stomach, you know. Yep. I'm pretty confident this trade will hit. The last coin to rally before the dump. So now we think anything that I should be. Yeah, bro, that's perfect, man. Oh my god.
8 hours.
Surely you guys see this. Like, am I just not gonna long it because I have bad experience with this coin? Like, but but 3-day conversion. Yeah, look, okay, this is stupid. It's never gonna hit this, right? And then we put it here. Super trend daily. Man, look at this edge to edge Widelton. Are we gonna fade the conversion to base? An 8-hour edge to edge, and the fact that
maybe half of a percent.
Hmm?
Maybe half of a percent.
0.5%? Okay, let's
That's
go.
tempting, bro. Like,
I'll put in 0.5%. What's 0.5%, right? I've already made big money today. 0.5%. Market execute. Because he just closed above the... But what would be the Widelton stop loss here? Tell me when. Here? Here? Here?
actually, if we're gonna want this trade to be fast, and we know that Pepper will move past the upside, I would make a little stop loss, like a small one,
Like this?
even one that is a little bit under the daily conversion.
Okay, so like this then. Under this swing low. Just in case they run these stops down here. And just in case there's too many people longing, I'll go there. Boom. Yeah, let's long it. I want to give it a chance. I want to put my feelings aside on how I feel about this coin. Like maybe like 0.5%, because I have to respect the system. What's the heat map looking like, Indo? Six, 7, 8, 9. 10265. 10265. What? There we go. Yeah, done. I went back in. All right, I'm in. I know everyone's gonna fade me in the server anyway because it's hilarious.
Let's fight.
Let's
No,
fight.
actually, I put the small amount right now as well.
Yeah, because it's like a part of me doesn't want to long this. It's the fact that I don't want to long it. I have to long it. Does that make sense, bro? Like psychology, right? I don't want to long this.
Yeah, makes sense. Heat map looks nice. I think there's
Where did he post
where
it?
else under there on WhatsApp. Hindu.
Yeah, good support. 6.5. 6. Yeah, that's. What is it aiming for? 8.5. 8.5. 9. Yep. What about 10? Oh, there's a big one at 1.0. Yeah, I'm aiming this. All right. I'm gonna get a massage and then probably go to the gym and then go to work. If you guys need me, you know where I am.
Yep.
And I'm gonna start coming on. I'll try my best. Ooh. Oh, bro. What the heck? As I enter a Pepe long, really?
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's not a. Oh,
Let's see.
oh, bro.
It's running.
Please.
Run, 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 run away.
And
Run
oh, there
away.
we go. An XRP. Yo. Ow.
Oh,
Just finished work.
Yo. Look at that. Almost hit full TP on BTC long, and I entered Pepe long. This is not a good sign for the market.
I miss all the loans.
This is there is no reaction from the bears right now. This is interesting to me.
You think it's a coordinated attack where everyone just went, fuck it, let's just pump it so that
Liquidate shorts. Yeah, of course it is. He always is. He always is.
because I'm thinking they're saying that what this September is like a new record or something.
New record of what?
It's
To
not
close
a bear.
to close green for the first time.
Yeah. Like
Wait,
that.
XRP, I think is another long here.
How do you play this? How do you play this now that everything has pumped like so much?
play continuation?
A continuation, just draw out levels and then just bid.
Yeah, that's what I done on
still-
GMX.
you still have some like coins on the 4 hours that's sitting on the cloud that you can check them
Bro,
on the lower time frames.
Yeah.
this is what you missed out. I didn't actually stream on, like, I didn't say this live or made a post yesterday, but I said to Widelton and El Matador, I said that these pumps are based on like BTC is used as a tool for whales to get entry on their short on coins. I think I made a post on WhatsApp, I think, like similar to like AMB, like fucking big Burj Khalifa, and then whatever this thing up here, he just like disregarded because quite frankly, it happens all the time where people just ape in to retest like this. But the fact of the matter is that a lot of these coins just pump and dump quickly. Like where's Aptos? Where the fuck is it?
Bro,
it
look
just-
at Arbitrum. What the fuck's going on?
Av,
Yeah, it's like a fucking parabolic.
do you know who shorted Ab?
Who?
SZ. This is SZ's followers getting liquidated. I love
Fuck.
I love when SZ goes short, and the system says and like they say they're short down here, right? And then wait, let's say, look, I know what he done this, and I respect him for shorting this. All right, if he didn't see the Ichi,
Makes sense.
it does make sense. It does make sense. Like for him to short here when BTC is bearish, it makes sense, right? Just 2 lines is enough. Just to get to show you my point. Like let's say he shorted something like this, right? For a day trade, it's a nice risk and reward. And look what happened. And then you turn on your Ichimoku. It's really thin cloud, and then the daily conversion is right here. This is what I was saying. All these runs, all these pumps on coins like this, they go parabolic because there's a lot of people shorting it and they haven't taken profit. AVAX hasn't run yet. but it has broken structure, and it's running, and it will continue running until these stop losses get hit. You got what else, bro? 1 inch. He done this like, oh fuck, he fucking disappeared. The talk that I gave for him is not even here. 1 inch hasn't pumped yet. Yeah, he's back. So basically, long story short, dinosaur coins that hasn't pumped will pump. They're always the last to pump. These lagging ones are always the last to pump.
TRB still looks pretty good. I mean, even with the drop, the 3-day is still like.
But
bullish.
I get you what I'm saying. Like, I get what you're saying there, but why should we chase those pumps when you have coins that are like freshly broken structure, and has a chance to grab liquidity from the stops, like AVAX, like Widelton's idea on mana, and you know what I mean? Like, we had it like here. Aggressive with low aggressive with low risk, safe with higher risk. So if you have a high risk to reward, a risk 1%, 0.5%. But if you have a big stop loss and a lower risk to reward, bet big, because it's usually safer on swings. Yeah,
Right.
I got this idea from you, my G, recently. I'm incorporating and learning shit from you guys too, you know?
Yeah. I guess for me, it's more like small. If you have a small budget, the quickest way is to just do
Risk big.
in out. Man.
Yeah, in out. Bro. No, like bet big, but on proper trades like this, G. Like, I respect Widelton, but you like if you want to go and long something that's done this, like everything is green, like ready to go.
So with the mana one,
Yes, bro.
I'm looking at the 4 hours, and I see like a mini bear cross, and there's also a 200 EMA that's coming up. And if we look at previous
Where's the 200
levels,
EMA?
it's been above, just above the big ass green candle. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 8 behind. 200.
This is what I was saying to Widelton. This is what I was saying to Widelton, right? Wait, the best one is this. Like, it's this, but the problem is we got a nice base there and a conversion daily there. These two are very strong resistances.
The MA200 is above the price on mana?
No, this is EMA, exponential.
EMA.
Don't ask me the difference between them, because I don't know. I don't use this.
No, I'm using the MA Cross 50 and 100.
There we go. So that's two. Which means that if we all line up our confluences and our systems together, the best place to long is here. But what would be our TP? You can even argue that you can even put your stop losses like this, because if it runs, it should run quick. It's under the 200. Still valid.
Yeah, but that's what I'm a bit worried about, because it might reject. And
that's why you wait for it to close above this sell order block down here. This is sell order block. This is also induce system. This is sell order block right here. That's sell order block. So once we have got rid of these hurdles, these coins, they'll rally very quickly. Like XRP is on the verge of doing that, but we wait for the 4-hour confirmation. You can go in here 0.5%. is fine. Like LTC as well. LTC has already done it, but you got like, if you want to look at EMAs and shit like that, you got, it doesn't look good for LTC. It needs to be closed like this.
Yeah,
And
because
even then,
the EMA actually is quite effective.
it is, no doubt. There you go. Long above that 4-hour close. That's a sexy trade. Don't fade a 2.9 hour trade. If we
Putting
find
it on 4
confluences,
hours?
yeah. If we find confluence on all our systems, go fucking hard. What about XRP?
So even with the bear cross at LTC, it doesn't matter.
If
It's just mainly the cloud.
if the bear cross on LTC, where's the bear cross, bro? Here.
Yeah.
Yeah. If the bear cross is engulfed by the candle,
Right.
yeah, it cancels it out. Like it happened to GMX. Where's GMX? Look at this. Bear cross, cancelled, right? And then bull cross, and then bear cross. But
and then what about the super trend though? Because the super trend is like sell at the moment.
Where, on what? On LTC?
On LTC, yeah.
That's why the safest, if we were to combine all our confluences together, from Indu's sell order block here, right? From your this is the EMA, this is the 200 MA. We got the Ichimoku. The super trend will then pop up here, and then we can all agree together. Then you have 5 traders agreeing on all the systems, and I mean, even if we did the basic breakout play, breakout of resistance here, that's a beautiful long here. Like undeniably, this would be a good long, and we won't be the only one bidding spot here. You would be bidding with a lot of people. This is so many confirmation on all different time frame that this a 3-hour trade is nothing to be fucked with. This is why I have it here on active, but I'm not actually in that trade right now. I do have a long on Pepe, which I look like hard on at the moment, but oh my god, we got this 200 MA here on both EMA and SMA. Fuck me dead.
So what's the difference between EMA and SMA, and which one weighs more?
No idea. SMA is simple moving average, E is exponential.
Right.
They're both I could say that the EMA is much more
It's more weight.
yeah, EMA recent 200 candles. That's the same thing with the SMA, bro. What's the difference? I don't know the difference. Legit, I don't know. You might have to Google that. I don't use that much.
On coins like Pepe, like using moving averages, it's a little bit less accurate than putting in moving averages, for example, on Solana, like in a matter of the time of existence of this coin. Like Pepe is kind of a new coin. There's not enough data for the moving average to be built with the accuracy.
Yes
Yeah.
and no.
It's just full like speculation.
Yeah, but the EMA, just FYI, I see what you mean there. The EMA and the SMA is counted on 200 4-hour candles. So does the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku is calculated. The conversion is calculated on 20, 60, and then the cloud is measured on 120. That's why it's slow and it's stronger. And then the Chiku is based on 30. So I just don't use this often. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. But if I can find a trade such as LTC where everyone agrees together, I think this would be a nice point in which we should long this. And believe me when I say we're not gonna be the only one that's gonna long this. So maybe a
The good thing is that it's on Monday high at the moment. So if it breaks Monday high, then
This is
it
Monday high.
breaks 200.
Beautiful.
Monday high's at 65.06.
Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday. Yeah, we are above Monday high. Even better.
Yeah.
We should
Yeah.
always we should implement
It's
that.
coming down.
It's fine because BTC is coming down.
So what I do is I'm doing SZ's lines. They're so fucking effective.
They are.
It kind of beats just like regular support and resistance because you pretty much draw support and resistance using his method.
Yeah. I the only reason I fade some of his trades, it's not him, bro. It's the amount of open interest with high leverage position that just apes it on it. Which his oppositions can use against him to counter trade him, because actually the ones that are like against these retail people, they bet big, bro. I'll tell you. And market makers see this, and they see just like a huge spike of open interest opening up on his post, bro. They get faded so quick, it's not even funny. But take a look at his Tomo. But on coins like Matic, shit that has very like high volume, and BNB, his trades are very accurate, because it's really hard to push. But if you post a coin like fucking Render or Tomo, you're gonna end up being food for market makers, I promise you. This is his trade right now. He posted it here, and his stop loss is around here. So right now we're almost back to break even, and all I can say is that these people here are the late long. These people here are the late retail shorters. Okay, that potentially saw his post, and they're all getting eaten alive, including me.
Oh, I also saw this website. The paper from someone account for individual. Yes, you do have to play. It's called Into the Block.
What's that?
Pretty much, you can see all the Bitcoin holders.
The Bitcoin what, sir?
And Into the Block.
Yeah.
And then it's like, oh, I guess I gotta find the video. It's like you see how many people who have invested into Bitcoin, and then what their price is going to be.
Yeah.
So like, for example, what's the maximum amount that they paid?
Yeah.
And then using what Widelton is saying, like using psychology,
Yeah.
it's like, okay, now you need to think like them. If these people have bought it at 26,000, where would they be happy to sell?
Correct.
And then secondly is like, what about the people that bought it at like 30, 40,000, right? What do you think they're going to do once the price reaches that amount? It's most likely that at 30, 40, they're not going to hold it. They're going to most likely dump it because they would like to break even and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this?
So it was like
this.
kind of interesting. Then I gotta find a video.
That's nice.
Yeah, so if you go to analytics on the top page and then you look at blockchain analytics,
Where?
then see like
Where are you posting this?
what you call it? Oh no, sorry, it's on their website.
Oh.
You go into the website, and then it's like they have this graph or which is in the chart. It's like graph that tells you, I think, who's in the money, who's at the money, who's out of the money. So like, you know, when price goes up, then obviously these circles will start to reduce. Then, yeah, bit of psychology play, I guess.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh. I like this. I remember when BTC was at all-time high. I remember this website. I think someone posted it and it wasn't me. I don't know. I was basically like a fucking, I was a noob at the time. Like I was just whatever. I thought I know shit about crypto. When the price was here, it says that 98% of holders are in profit. 98% were in profit. So it's no surprise that the price went all the way down here. That's funny. Can you imagine being the 2% that's not in profit at all-time high, bro? Oh, I'm so bad.
Correct.
Let's see what's going on with this chart right now. We also got to monitor this. Oh, there we go. It's bouncing.
Everything's coming back.
This is a point in which you can enter a swing short. Straight up. I'm not even joking. On alts that are very weak compared to BTC.
How do you define weak?
I'll show you. Like sushi, sort of. Let me find you more weaker chart, yeah? Sushi, CRV.
When you say weak, as in like there's a big ass red candle, or like a structure,
like
or...
this, structure-wise.
Okay, so it's like collapsing pretty much.
Yeah. Like, fuck, where is it gonna go next? Like, BTC just pumped like that and it didn't even move this place. But the problem is with this, I got like 3-day conversion underneath here. That's why I haven't shorted it. Because I don't short shit. Like, that's that major support. And 3-day conversion is nothing to be faded. You know what I mean? So, I mean, you can try, but it's very risky. But it looks pretty much good to die. Yeah. Let me fuck this off. Yeah, it looks pretty much good to dead, like to die right now. It would be better if this was here. So it's nice that if you enter some swing shorts right now. Yo, on cue, baby. As I was saying before, Burj Khalifa. OP, is it back yet? No. ETH, is it back yet? No. I only want to short things that are like below the cloud, like even sushi here, I guess. Oh fuck me, dude, man.
Sushi...
I don't really. Is this the candle? Like, is this the actual candle?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
There's a candle inside, yeah.
I was like, where's the candle? That's what I'm saying. Like, this could fake out. Like, you want the conversion to be on top of the price as well. We can't fade the system. It's been profitable for a lot of people. That like sure you can be a hero and short shit like this. Sure, like, you know, Pico top. You know, like Indo styles, whatever. I love the way he does it. I just don't have the balls to do that because I don't have confirmation. And I don't counter trend. I don't counter trade the trend ever. I don't think you've seen me like I don't know if I've done it recently, but I haven't done it in a very long time. That's very risky. You could just easily do this, you know. Easily.
Oh, looks like a good short.
It is. It does look like a good short. I mean,
It does have a 200 EMA below it though.
like there, like TP1, right? I get it. I get it. You short there, TP1, TP2, TP3, you know what I mean? But me personally, I don't like shorting uptrends. It's like catching a falling knife, G. I would prefer it to do this.
Spell.
Huh?
Spell.
That's sexy. That's broken structure for sure. That was the structure, the bullish structure.
Even so, in this case, so even though there's no red cloud, it's because it's under the cloud.
Correct.
It would be considered a bearish
a break of structure. Yes, a break of structure.
Yeah, okay.
Because this was the uptrend, and it's done. It's finished. Now I don't personally like clouds that look like this, but at the moment, this is probably one of the best shorts that I can do. Like render is interesting for me, but I would rather wait for it to, you know, close underneath the cloud again, because it could just easily do this. Easily. I don't know where it's gonna go, but I know for a fact that if it does this, I'm shorting it.
Bro, being X does not have spell. Oh, your mom.
Oh, there's plenty. There's legit plenty. Like Doge. Like Doge is still a short right now. Doge is still a short. What's his name? Widelton is still. Yeah, Doge is still a short. It's still underneath the cloud. Yes, the daily conversion is being tested, but it's rejected on daily conversion. If anything, I don't like going on trades without confirmation, because this candle could just like close like that and I'm out. Like, what am I invalidate? Like, how can I invalidate this? This is a long up here, but below that should be a nice short. Wow, I don't know how to short anymore these days. There we go. Like under the conversion, if we close like this, at least we can use this as like a invalidation. But Doge is
what about SLP?
SLP? Is that like that's the love potion? Yeah, Naji. Me again. This is scary.
This is too long.
Oh, too long.
Like, I'm waiting for it to pop out of the damn cloud.
Yeah. What about you YOLO it? No, you don't YOLO this. Absolutely fucking not. No, fucking fail.
It's got a red candle.
Yeah, like this. You can't YOLO this.
I'll probably wait for the second candle. I'll wait for it to pop up and then wait for the second candle to finish.
Yeah. TBH. This is the range. Or if you want to do the SZ way like this, like, you know, deviation underneath here. That's why it's a nice long. But that, ideally speaking, man, like if you didn't have the Ichimoku or any momentum based system,
that would be short, I reckon.
That's a short, all the way down here.
Each way.
Most people would do this. This is what most people would do, actually.
It's crazy because like I watch this video and I'm like, fuck, the way he charts himself makes so much fucking sense. But then when I look at the market, right, and fuck, it just goes the opposite way.
Yeah, that's the problem. The problem is, right, this is what everyone sees. Market makers know you're shorting here though. Market makers just, like, they don't target whales, market makers, just so you know that. It's too hard. It's easier to eat it's easy as a whale to eat a krill, because they don't put any fight. They just get eaten out. That's the problem. So above this, yeah, above TP1, TP2. Wow, it's like no breaks. Liquidity wise, like the liquidity is like up here. If you want to use the Ichi complete, like strictly on the Ichi, it's like there, and end there.
Yeah, but 100% once like it starts running, people are just gonna start dumping.
Correct. These people that's been shorting it, they're gonna start closing it. Especially when this person here that put the stop loss there, they're just gonna close it, and it's just gonna like help fuel this no liquidity zone here. TP1 is a given here above this. You can even put like a conditional order above this. If you don't know how to do conditional order, I just started doing it today on GMX. I long GMX 3 times in the last 24 hours, and it's been profitable. I haven't even posted screenshots. Who gives a fuck? But you know what I'm doing. Like that, bro. That's a sexy trade, right? You go to Bybit or whatever. It's like fucking Bing chilling. You go conditional trade. You put like the trigger price. The trigger price, it should be 0.001440, and then your order price should be 1445, because you want it to be up a little bit, just so you know, just in case there was.
Also, what happens is the price has to hit 1445.
No, it has to hit 1440 in order for your limit buy to be triggered, if that makes sense.
And your limit buy is at 1445 or 1440?
1442, whatever. Just like it has to be above this resistance, right? And it should keep on running. And I'll show you an example, right? Or you can even do it above this, and then you can even add size, and then you put another limit order. The trigger price should be 1467, and then your limit order could be like 1469. So
I'm trying to figure out how to do it.
I've been doing it. I've been doing it recently, and I've been doing trades in my sleep, and it's fucking profitable. Look at this, right? I long down here, and then I took profit market here, right? And then he bounced back here, and I entered manually here. And then when I was driving when I was on my break before, I put a limit order there. It triggered, boom. He pumped again, and it added size there, boom, and I got out around here. Like, even that small move was still money for me when I closed it. All of that, all of this is profit. This is 1%, 1% size, and then I added size again. Yeah, this is another 1% I added to my risk, and then 1% here. So I longed it 3 times, and I took profit. Just like that. So 3 longs technically, right? And then don't forget that I also had another long down here which I closed in full. 75% here. I got taken out at break even, well, in profit here, and I longed again. So 4 longs in under 24 hours. All 4 longs won. It's better to long one coin, to be honest with you. Like, minimize your exposure.
Found it. Figure.
You figured it out. That's the Widelton style. Very, very profitable, and it's a good thing that I took profit. Look, pull back.
I'm gonna try this on SLP. So 1,
Yeah.
4, and I'll probably do 1. Yeah, 440. That's the top of the candle. And then I put in an order. Right. The last price is what triggers it, and then the price, would I put it above or it would be below? Because if I put it above, it would just automatically
Up. No, it doesn't. That's not how it works. I thought so, but then Widelton explained it to me today. Let me show you my GMX trade again. You know what? Let's take a look at SLP. Where's SLP?
0, 0.
Okay, here.
4.
Try it. It could be very profitable. At least if it doesn't go there, it'll never trigger. Right? Yep. So you put your trigger price. It turns on your order at 0.001440, and then you put the order price is 0.001442 or 1443. I like to make it like a little bit like odd number above, like 0.001445 or something stupid. 0.001444. Why is because sometimes it just goes to 0.001441 and then it just goes back. Like, because usually the stop, remember how stop runs work? Like, they'll just trigger that price, move it up a little bit, and go back down. That's why that's why Widelton's one is always like a little bit more up like this. Just so to be sure, like even like there. So it can keep on moving. There. Nice one here actually. You just have to check the open interest here. Anyway, I'll be back. I'll be back 2 minutes. I'll be back.
Yeah. 0.00. Oh, got stop loss. Zero point zero.
Yo, I'm gonna get some rest.
Alright, mate.
Take it easy, huh? And stay safe, bro. System says quick pullback to 8.07. The USDT chart, yeah.
8.8.
Check the.
That's pretty big.
Yeah, that could give you a nice scalp opportunity, you know. Think about it right now.
Right.
The whole market is
If
bullish.
it goes backwards, then that means that we can long.
If it goes backwards and it holds at 8.07, we can look for longs, but this is not a place where we look for longs unless we close daily under 7.86. There. No, we can't fade the USDT chart. To find the most successful trades, this is where we need to be. When we were on conversion daily, everyone and their mum was bearish. Now we're at 7.86. Everyone and their mum is bullish. So, and we just have to counter trade retail. And right now, there's a lot of people.
Wait. So what you're saying is right now we short or we long?
There's one or two things you can do. Okay. You can find look, Bitcoin done the full edge to edge on
Now it's pulling back.
Correct. Now there's two scenarios that you can see. Okay. When BTC pulls back here, right? I like it pulling back a little bit more, like this. Take out all these horny longs, like liquidate everyone again, like yesterday. Like yesterday here, but except this one, he done it really quick, and I went back in. I just bid straight away there. I didn't even think about it. I bid and I put my stop loss underneath here. Anyway, I like it when the market takes out a lot of liquidity, but still maintains the uptrend. So we want to see shit like this and still are able to stay above the conversion. Now, when BTC pulls back, this is what you got to do, right? Because I might not be here. You check USDT and see where it is. If it's here, go long. Go long, right? If it does this, go long. Until then, you have an opportunity to swing short or short scalp. That's your options. You're either short scalping or waiting too long. I swing long Pepe. On that BTC move downwards, Pepe didn't really move much. XRP didn't really move much. LTC moved heaps. So you need to see which one of these guys are the strong one. Look, I don't want to look at GMX, but I sort of do. So it was a good thing that I closed my position there. GMX as well. If you really did want to, wait. If it holds here, go long. Even better, if it holds here, go long. Wait for these fair value gap to be filled. That's what Indu calls them, or these level on the 4H. These are good levels too long. Here, or here. Just mark them. Mark them on like set alerts. Don't actually put limit orders because it might just fall through. You want to see the reaction. That's how I played my GMX yesterday. I waited for the move to be done, like here on this box, right? And then I waited. I see, oh yeah, there's demand there. Demand, you can see all these wicks. Then okay, there's someone defending their position on the open interest that they had. Okay, so I bought in there, engulfing this candle, demand, engulfing this candle, play ball. And then on this position here, definitely play ball. and then above here I added size. Now same thing. I waited for BTC, for USDT to I think this morning it looked like this. It looked like this. That's when I longed it, like this, around there. Yeah, around 2 o'clock. I remember around 2 o'clock. That's when I longed GMX, and look what happened. But use 2 charts as well. See, 8-hour close below this. It's a good start, but you want it to close here on the daily. That's when you go long, like long, crazy long. There we go. Otherwise, if it closes back, how about this? I'll make it easier for everyone. That's for longs. Okay. That's for longs. That's for longs. And this is for shorts. Okay. And this is for shorts. Hang on. Boom, 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 boom. So this is already the beginning, yeah? This is the nice deviation, right? You want it to do this, and that's when where you aim for a short. Like this. Where's the 4H? Let me just mark it up. 4H is now here. There we go. Now everyone has a plan. They're so close with each other too, so do what you want, but this is it. This is also a nice confirmation here. It might seem confusing, but it's the only way to play it. Let me post this. Close this, close this. There we go. Done. It should be clear for Widelton and everyone else. Top. There we go. Pretty clear. Right. Great week this week. I'm going to be a little less active on trades after too many wins, so I don't give back. This is the plan. That's it. This is why you prepare your longs and shorts before the move happens.